One small mistake on a cruise can quickly turn your dream vacation into a stressful experience. Most passengers don't realize how easy it is to make these errors until it's too late. So before you step on board, here are 5 mistakes that passengers should avoid when going on a cruise. 5. Arriving late to the ship. Imagine this. You're enjoying a perfect day at a beautiful port, taking photos, exploring, relaxing. Then you check the time, you rush back, only to see your cruise ship slowly sailing away without you. It sounds rare, but it happens more often than you think. Cruise ships run on strict schedules and will not wait for late passengers. Now your vacation turns into a stressful scramble, booking hotels, flights, and trying to catch up at the next port. The payoff? Always return to the ship well before the all-aboard time. Extra time is better than no cruise at all. Quick question, have you ever almost missed a flight or trip? Drop your experience in the comments. Number 4. Ignoring the safety drill. Most passengers treat the safety drill like a boring requirement, something to just get over with. But skipping attention here is a mistake. This drill shows you exactly where to go and what to do in case of an emergency. Cruises are safe, yes, but emergencies are unpredictable, and in those moments, confusion spreads fast. The passengers who paid attention stay calm and know what to do. The ones who didn't often panic. The payoff is simple. A few minutes of focus can give you confidence for the entire trip. 3. Leaving valuables. Unattended cruise ships feel like floating cities filled with relaxation and fun. Because of that, passengers often let their guard down, phones left on lounge chairs, wallets on tables, passports not properly secured. Most of the time, nothing happens, but all it takes is one mistake. Thousands of people move around the ship daily, including guests and crew. Losing a phone is annoying. Losing a passport in a foreign country can ruin your entire trip. The solution? Use your cabin safe and only bring what you need when you go out. A little caution goes a long way. 2. Not tracking your onboard spending. This mistake doesn't hit you during the cruise, it hits you at the end. One drink here, a spa session there, specialty dining, Wi-Fi, shopping. Individually, they feel small, but they quickly add up. Then comes checkout day, and the final bill surprises you more than anything else on the trip. This is one of the most common mistakes first-time cruisers make. The payoff? Check your onboard account daily so you always know what you're spending. Be honest. Have you ever been shocked by a vacation bill before? Share it below. 1. Forgetting important travel documents. This is the mistake that can stop your cruise before it even starts. You arrive at the terminal excited and ready, but then comes the question, may I see your passport? And suddenly you realize it's still at home. Trip over. Without proper documents, many passengers are denied boarding completely. No cruise, no refund in many cases, just frustration. Before leaving, always double-check passport, ID, boarding documents, travel insurance, required visas. It only takes a few minutes, but it protects your entire trip. A cruise is meant to be relaxing, fun, and unforgettable, but these simple mistakes can easily turn it into a stressful experience. Remember, arrive early, pay attention to safety drills, protect your valuables, track your spending, and never forget your travel documents. Follow these and you'll enjoy a smoother and more stress-free cruise. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more cruise tips, travel guides, and hidden cruise secrets. And before you go, which of these mistakes do you think passengers make the most? Please comment below.